Mathematics, which is the most powerful creation of the human spirit. Maths is not only about numbers, equations, and computations, but actually it is the world's best game and exists all around us in the world. If we go down deep enough into anything, we will find mathematics there. And today we are celebrating the birth anniversary of one of the greatest mathematicians of all time, Srinivas Ramanujan. Very good morning to respected principal sir, all my teachers and dear friends. This is Manika from class 8. First, let me wish you all a very happy National Mathematics Day. Let us try to understand the reason behind the celebration of National Mathematics Day. Actually, the main objective behind the celebration of this day is to raise awareness among people about the importance of mathematics for the development of humanity. Since ancient times, various scholars had made significant contributions to mathematics, but Srinivas showed the signs of an unfolding genius. His contributions set an example in mathematics. His love for maths was so much that he failed most of the subjects in school. An unparalleled genius and a self-taught mathematician, Ramanujan had made remarkable contributions in various fields of mathematics and its branches. For his immense contribution in the field of mathematics, former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh declared 22nd of December as National Mathematics Day on 26th of February 2012 on the occasion of 125th birth anniversary of Ramanujan. His work in the number theory is especially regarded and he made advances in the partition function. Ramanujan was recognized for his mastery of continued fractions and had worked out the Riemann series, elliptic integrals, hypergeometric series, and the functional equations of the zeta function. Ramanujan didn't live long and died at 32 of age. In his short life, he compiled more than 3,900 mathematical results and equations. However, his achievements in the field of mathematics are still highly regarded across the globe. No doubt, his hard work and passion helped him become one of the most recognized mathematicians today, regardless of his bleak circumstances. Hard work and a little bit of luck really can lead us to fulfill our dreams. Thank you.